Here is one more problem on relative velocity. Two cars A and B are moving with the same speed 45 km per hour along the same direction. A third car C coming from opposite direction at a speed of 36 km per hour meets the two cars in an interval of 5 minutes. Calculate the distance of separation of the cars A and B. Okay. Again, we can make use of the same logic, that is relative velocity is equal to relative displacement divided by time. Now, suppose I consider relative velocity of third car with respect to first car. This is equal to 45 minus 36, that is nothing but 81 kilometer per hour. So, I write V31 is equal to 81 into 5 by 18, right. So, this is V31, this is meter per second. Now, relative velocity of 3 with respect to 1 is relative displacement of 3 with respect to 1 divided by time taken. That gives me relative displacement of 3 with respect to 1 is equal to velocity of 3 with respect to 1 into time taken. What is velocity of 3 with respect to 1? 81 into 5 by 18 into what is the time taken? The time taken is, you can notice that this is 5 minutes, that is 5 into 60 seconds. So, we can simplify this further, that gives us 6750 meters or 6.75 kilometers. This is the relative displacement of 3 with respect to 1, which is nothing but the separation between the first two cars.